Thousands of accidents have been happening on Indian roads every day. And if we count the unreported ones, the number could be much more. What happens after the incident? The driver or the fleet owner has to go through many legal, personal, and financial challenges. And this is just because of lack of evidence. At Aditi Tracking, we provide you with an AI dash cam with inbuilt GPS that has an in-cabin view and a front view. With dual channel capability, now you can have real-time feed of the roads on which your vehicle is driving, and with in-cabin view, you can monitor the driver and passenger behavior. In our dash cam, AI plays a very crucial role in identifying and monitoring the critical events happening on road and inside your vehicle. In case of occurrence of any of these events, these are captured on real time and sent to fleet owners in the form of a short clip that we called as evidence. With AI, we are able to capture ADAS events like forward collision, lane departure, and pedestrian crossing. And with in-cabin camera, we are able to capture fatigue driving and distracted driving. Our dash cam comes with AI, inbuilt GPS. The front camera is 1 megapixel and the rear camera, that is in-cabin camera, is also 1 megapixel and the storage is up to 1 TB. At Aditi Tracking, we believe in offering comprehensive solution that includes pre-sale support, installation support, and after-sale support. We also provide you with a web app and a mobile app where you can see real-time streaming on your fingertips. Are you looking for a dash cam? You have two options. Either you go online or either you call us at Aditi Tracking. Now, what will happen if you call online? You have to order the device and you have to install it your own. But do you know the dash cam which you bought online is actually offline? It doesn't have any SIM card. To access the videos, you need to be inside the car. And you cannot be inside the car all the time. Now with Aditi Tracking, you can access the dash cam from any part of the world because it has an inbuilt SIM which communicates with our platform. You might be thinking that our camera is costly compared to marketplace, but the device which you have bought from Aditi Tracking, we will provide you with complete end-to-end installation support. Do you know most of the dash cams available in market are offline, but Aditi Tracking dash cam is online. So let me tell you the simple difference between this. So if there is any incident happened, with an offline camera, you cannot access it remotely. But with Aditi Tracking, we give you the real-time feeds remotely on our mobile app. So you manage to get the videos from the dash cam which you ordered online. But what's the use of it? Since you don't have any GPS location for that, because it doesn't have an inbuilt GPS. But with Aditi Tracking dash cam, you have real-time location and real-time streaming. That is all what you need and that is all what we provide. Remember, the roads can be unpredictable, but your security shouldn't be. Stay safe on road with Aditi Tracking dash cam.